Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I sound tired already, and I'm just about to start working out. It's bright and early Monday morning, and it's time for battle. And I decided to run this morning, and I'm running inside because baby's already off to work, so I can't go outside to run, and I don't want to wait until later this afternoon. So I'm going to go on the treadmill for a run real quick. And Tyler is here. I'm sure he's going to be a good sport. What do you want? Want your bubbles? Here you go. But Mama won't be able to do it for you because I'm gonna run, okay? Make sure you guys get your workout in. Let's go. When my vibes is right, honey, and the workout is lit, I go all day non-stopping vibes in working out, burning those calories, and you bet believe those dance moves that you do while you're working out, the calories are still burning. But I'm not done just yet. I'm going to do some abs. I'm dripping wet. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling motivated. So you guys do your workout. I'm going to do some abs right now and call it a morning. Man, can you guys tell how sweet workout was this morning? It was so good. I just kept going and kept going, and the music was right, and the vibe was right, and everything just was just right for me this morning. And workout was an absolute success. I pray you guys do your workout. Just do it, guys. It doesn't matter what it is. If you want to act a fool like me and dance and carry on, you're still burning the calories, girl. Just do something, anything at all. It will pay off in the end, I promise you. So I finished workout, fed Tyler his porridge. I finished just in time at 10 o'clock for Tyler to get his porridge, and now I'm all fresh and it's time for me to get my breakfast. So I'm in the kitchen, and as usual, I think I'm going to have either cereal or eggs this morning, but I think I'm going to opt for the eggs. So it's time to make some breakfast. It's actually Monday, so happy Monday, you guys, and baby's off to work as usual. I don't know if he had vlogged this morning or if he had to run out the house, but yeah, he's off to work. Make sure you guys have a productive week, have a blessed week, have a positive week, make everything full of energy and full of vibes, just like I was this morning. And I'll continue with this same mindset and this same attitude throughout the week and throughout the rest of my life, honey. So you should too. You chilling? You just chilling? Sweet boy? You want phone? Come for it. Alright, you guys, so this is breakfast. That's breakfast. No. You can't have banana. You want banana and apple now when you're gonna nap. You guys, now that breakfast is finished, I got today's vlog ready. and ready to publish. Now it's time to put big man down for a nap. Ready for a nap? Say nap. Come. You want to pee pee? Go pee pee. Go pee pee. Go. Go pee pee. Come. You're so silly. What a day when he knows how to use the potty and to use the urinal. He knows. He's so funny because when he wants to do number 2, you know, you normally pee first. So he would go to the urinal and pee, and then goes to the potty and then do number 2. He's something else. You finish? Look at him right here. Come. Ty. Bye.
Bye.
Say I'm gonna nap. Just like that, the lunch is ready. I just did some shrimp saute in olive oil over some lettuce, and I'm gonna dig in right now. Dig in. Lunch is ready. Look at him, so contented with his app over there. Big boy, but he see food, so I know he won't stay long. He's so gonna leave it. Bring the phone. Can Mama have the phone, please? Can I have it? Thank you, baby. Thank you, sweet boy. When you're busy and have so much things to do, you guys, the day just goes by so fast. I have been just doing a lot of things inside, and the day, it just went by in no time. It just went by. Where did the day go? Tell her, where did the day go? Where did the day go? It's so beautiful outside today, but it's a bit foggy over the beach. That's what outside shot is looking like for today. Sunny with a little bit of wind, so you don't really feel the heat that much. I don't intend on going to the pool today because I wasn't really happy when I went to the pool yesterday, because it seemed like they haven't cleaned the pool in a few days, and it really needs to clean. Boy, he loves helping me. Picking up some clothes I have outside, and he insists on helping. Go ahead, baby. Dinner is well on its way, and I'm cooking some sweet corn here. Over here I have some veggies steaming. Is cabbage and carrots and sweet peppers over here, and then I'm going to fry this salmon in some olive oil. And yeah, that's what dinner is gonna be. And Tyler will be having sweet potato mash, which is already made. So comment down below and let me know what you guys are having for dinner this evening, whatever time of the day that you're watching, or whichever day that you're watching this vlog. And tell me how you guys prefer your salmon. Do you prefer your salmon baked in the oven, or you prefer your salmon fried? I prefer mine fried, and babe prefer his fried. It doesn't matter how much we tell ourselves that the healthier way is in the oven, we just can't accept the oven one. The fry one in the little olive oil, it just makes it different for me. So comment down below, tell me what you're eating for dinner, and tell me what way you prefer your salmon. Alright you guys, dinner is all done, and that's the outcome. Dinner is all ready. Scrub time. You're gonna kill him. He's gonna pee on himself.
Gonna peel you. Oh.
The best father-son bonding ever. Tell I love Papa. I love you, Papa. It's bedtime. Say bye-bye.
Papa.
Blow them kisses. Okay, go and have your bath now. Go to Papa. Go. Go, 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 go. And it's Tyler's bath time, so he's off to get his bath by Papa and then goes to bed.
Hi, Faves.
Hi, Faves. As you can see, this one is home and giving trouble as usual.
Quite.
The battery's on yellow.
The French expression just come to my mind. So I'm gonna give it to you now because I was about to say it. Être sage comme une image. That's what just come to my mind when she said I'm giving her trouble. Être sage mean like to be quiet, to be nice. Comme une image is like a pictures. So you're quiet like pictures because pictures don't make any noise. So mean you're extra quiet. Extra nice. Say it. Sage comme une image.
Sage comme une image.
Right. So I don't give trouble. I am sage comme une
Yeah,
image.
right. Yeah, right. Alright, you guys. So there you have the French expression, and the Jamaican expression for today is "me a go run a boat." If you hear a Jamaican say "me a go run a boat," they simply mean that they're going to cook some food.
You're going to catch fish.
No, they're going to cook.
I'm going to catch
Say.
fish in the river. Me I go run about.
Me a go run a boat.
A boat.
Boat.
A boat.
Yes.
yeah, boat.
Alright, you guys, there you have the Jamaican expression and Babe's take on it. Of course, Tyler is off the bed, and we're just gonna end the vlog here, though it was much, but we enjoy sharing every single moment with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.